This is the 2005 Sprinter Freightliner. Starts up with no issues. It has no warning lights on. Let's check the two front windows real quick. So the windows, they work with no problems. Take a quick walk around the outside. So I don't see any scratches. Let's open up the back doors. Nice, cool thing about these doors is that they can open up all the way. Got the hinge right here. I'm sorry, the hinge right here. You can open that up. And over here you see this rubber piece right here. They just stick together. Same thing for this door. And they stay magnetized closed. And the hinge goes right back into place on its own. Locked. Let me see. Door opens up nice and wide. We'll start off in the back. Last row, 3 seats. All of which are intact, nice and clean. The middle row holds 2. nice and clean. I don't see any tears or holes. Okay, and our first row here holds 3 people, just like the other seats, nice and clean. Very good condition. Also, it's got very good height room, standing room. I'm just about 6 foot and I have plenty of room. Show you how high it is. Also, speaking about height, keep in mind that this vehicle does have a ride height of 9 feet 6 inches. Let's show you the passenger seat. Passenger seat, very good condition. The driver's seat, very good condition. Alright, we're going to do a quick lights check. You may have already noticed the headlights were already on, but we'll still go through them. The headlights, right turn signal, side turn. Rear running lights are working. See the side left turn, high beams, and the rear left turn is working. Test the radio real quick. So the radio is working. Also, as we've been doing this video, I've been I've been having it running, showing with the heat on, and it is blowing out nice and hot. Real quick, we're going to switch to the AC. is blowing out cool air. It's a little hard to tell if it's the AC blowing out cold air or the cold air from outside, because it is about 30 degrees right now outside, but it is blowing out cold. The rear fans work, this button here, and you can feel the draft of the air circulating. Okay, so we're ready to go for a drive. No problems with reverse. And I'm not feeling any problems with drive. As I shipped it out of park into reverse and into drive, the transmission shifted very smoothly without hesitation or no noises. Do not feel any issues with the brakes. Vehicle has very good acceleration. There's going to be no problems getting up to speeds. Also, going over all the bumps in the road, the suspension, it feels really good. It makes a very comfortable ride. Also, another reminder about the ride height. It is 9 feet 6 inches. Alright, so that's the 2005 Sprinter Freightliner. I hope this video has answered any questions you have about the vehicle. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell so you know every time we post a new car. And you can check the description below to a link to our website where you can view the rest of our inventory. Thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of your day.